how to fix fitness app not tracking steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you have ever found yourself walking all day only to see your fitness app showing 0 steps, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue in just few minutes. So, first solution is just close down your fitness app and open it again because sometimes it might be lagging and just closing it solves it. But if it doesn't work, then go to settings and then scroll down. Go to privacy and security and then scroll down and you'll be able to see motion and fitness. Tap on it and make sure fitness tracking is toggled on. And make sure health is also toggled on because it is connected to your fitness app. So sometimes not toggling this on also does not uh, is the result of fitness app not tracking your steps. So just make sure that you do it. If this also doesn't work, then try restarting a device. Swipe down from the top right and you'll see the power button at the very top right. And just restart a device because a simple restart also goes a long way. I hope one of this solution helps you out. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.